Hi, so welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how to take backup of iOS file. iOS file is a internet operating system. Okay, so every device has operating system in the network, like Cisco switch, router, PC, server. Every device has operating system. That's why it operates. Okay, so how to take backup? Suppose this file has a one or maybe two iOS file, but I want to take it backup of this iOS file into the server. So how can we take it? It is easy, but it is not so easy. So we have to take the few steps that needs to be followed while taking iOS file in the backup. Okay. Purpose of the taking iOS file as a backup, network engineer is sitting here and he wants to take the backup of this iOS file into the server. So he has to the access of this device remotely or via physically. So network engineer may not be in the may not be in the device as a physical, because he is managing the multiple device from remotely. So he has to one remote session of the router or switch. Okay, so let's go it by practical way. How we can go? So I have created the same topology in the Cisco packet tracer. Here is one server and there's router and switch and the same PC. So I have assigned the IP for each device, not in the this switch. So I have assigned 192.168.2.10 slash 24 for this server, and for this two interface, two IPs are assigned, and for the last IP is assigned to this PC. Okay, so uh, let's check what operating system is running on this node. So enable, and it is asking password, so I have given the password Cisco. Okay, so version, so version, you will get the information of the version. So here is the file name of the, yeah, this is the uh, iOS file. Okay, image file. So I want to keep this file as a backup in the server. So let's check if it has or not. So this is the TFTP server and there is no file here. So there is no file as a backup, so I have to keep the backup of this file. So for this I have to have the remote session of this node. So how we can go? We can go through command prompt and telnet the IP of this router. So 192.168.1.2, and it will give the password, ask the password. So password is Cisco that I have configured, Cisco. Okay, enable, and secret password is also Cisco. Okay, so what is the process of the getting the password prompt here? The process the very simple. You can get the detailed video in this channel, or let's give some brief about it. So config t and line bty04, or any line you can give, and password is Cisco. Okay, and login, it will ask when you login the device. Okay, and exit and enable secret Cisco. So when you configure this configuration in the device, so it will prompt the same message here. Okay, so let's check what's operating system in the flash. So flash is the same operating system that we have checked in the show version. You can check again, show version, so you can check this is the same operating system. M4 C2900 universal K9 mz.mz.151-1.m4.pin. Okay, so process of copying operating system into the server is very simple. Just a one command needed: copy flash, because we are copying from flash to tftp and colon, enter. It will ask the source file name. Source file name is the operating system file name. So this is the operating system file name. Just copy it, select and right click. It will ask copy or paste. Copy and paste it here. Okay, enter. And it will ask the address or name of the remote host where you want to copy. So I just want to copy in this server, so the remote host IP is 192.168.2.10. so copy, put this IP address 192.168.2.10. okay, again enter. And this one question is asked here, destination file name you want to keep it as it is? Yes, so it is just press the enter. So it is copying again. So I think I have it is copied or not. So go to the server and go to the tftp and you will get to this file here. So it has been copied here. So you have the backup of iOS file here in the server. Okay, that's it. So very easy, simple step. And thanks for watching. If you have comment, question, query, so you can comment in the comment section below. And thanks for your support. Please subscribe this channel.